Hello audience, I am your host Samreen Fazan from Suraj TV. Biography on Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25th December 1876 at Wazir Mansion, Karachi. Was the first of 7 children of Jinnah Bhai, a prosperous merchant. After being taught at home, Jinnah was sent to the Sindh Madrasa High School in 1887. Later, he attended the Mission High School, where at the age of 16 he passed the matriculation examination of the University of Bombay. On the advice of the English friend, his father decided to send him to England to acquire business experience. Jinnah, however, had made up his mind to become a barrister. In keeping the custom of the time, his parents arranged for the early marriage for him before he left for England. In London, he joined Lincoln's in one of the legal societies that prepared students for the bar. In 1895, at the age of 19, he was called to the bar. While in London, Jinnah suffered two severe bereavements, the death of his wife and his mother. Nevertheless, he completed his formal studies and also made a study of the British political systems, frequently visiting the House of Commons. He was greatly influenced by the liberalism of William E. Gladstone, who had become Prime Minister of the fourth time in 1892, the year of Jinnah's arrival in London. Jinnah also took a keen interest in the affair of the India and the Indian student. When the Parsi leader Dadabhai Nehruji, a leading India nationalist, ran for the English Parliament, Jinnah and other Indian students worked day and night for him. Their efforts were crowned with success, and Nehruji became the first Indian to sit in the House of Commons. Jinnah first enters political by participating in the 1906 Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress, the parties that called for dominion status and later for independence for the India. 4 years later, he was elected to the Imperial Legislative Council, the beginning of the long and distinguished parliamentary career in the Bombay he came to know. Among their important Congress personalities, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, the eminent Maratha leader. Greatly influenced by these nationalist politicians, Jinnah inspired during the early part of the political life to become a Muslim. Gokhale admiration for British political institution and an eagerness to raise the status of the India in the international community and to develop a sense of Indian nationalhood among the people of India were the chief element of his politics. At that time, he still looked upon Muslim interest in the context of Indian nationalism. At this point, Jinnah emerged as the leader of the Renaissance Muslim nations. Event began the move fast on March 22, 23, 1940 in the Lahore. The League adopted a resolution to form of separate Muslim state Pakistan. The Pakistan idea was the first ridiculed and the tenacially opposed by the Congress, but it captured the imaginations of the Muslim. Pitted against Jinnah were men of the state of Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. At the British government seemed to be the intent on maintaining the political unity of the India subcontinent, but Jinnah led his movement with such skill and tenacity that ultimately both the Congress and the British government had no option but to agree the partitioning of India. Pakistan thus emerged as the independent state in 14 August 1947. Jinnah became the first head of the new state Pakistan. He took oath as the first Governor General on August 1547. Faced with the serious problem of the young nation, he tackled Pakistan problem with authority. He was not regarded As merely the Governor General, he was revealed as the father of the nation. He worked hard until overpowered by the age and diseases in Karachi. He died on 11 September 1947 at Karachi. Thank you.